I'm Wayne Gordon from Citadel Boxing, and you're watching CTV Morning Live.
Hey, this morning we're going to go to Citadel Gym where I'm going to take on three-time national champion Wyatt Sanford. That's coming up later right here on CTV Morning Live.
I do want to back up a bit, though, and talk about that young boxer doing his thing.
Impressive.
And Cyril, you actually got in the ring with this person. Have you lost it?
I've obviously lost my mind.
Clearly.
That's some hardcore stuff.
Yeah, he's really good.
But you're looking okay, so.
Well, you know,
you're a fast
I'm okay.
runner.
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Oh,
I think.
poor Cyril.
Yeah. No, I'm fine. Wyatt, great kid. Three-time national champion. Hoping to go to the next Olympics, you know, someday as a boxer on Team Canada. So, great kid and very talented.
Yeah, for sure.
Absolutely.
Now, you're talented at many other things. Like
well, you know, I don't like to brag.
We're going to meet Wyatt Sanford, 16 years old, three-time national champion in Canadian boxing.
Yeah, I mean, he was unbelievable. So, I wanted to see, of course, if I have what it takes to become a champion Canadian boxer. So, I hit the ring.
More like a sprinter.
Hey, you're taking a look at Wyatt Sanford, who is three-time national champ. He's in the 64 kilo class, which would be Coach Wayne Gordon. That would be what, light
welterweight, yeah.
Light welterweight.
Yeah.
Three-time national champion. That's impressive.
Oh, it is. It's very exciting to watch. His ability is second to none right now.
All right, so what we're doing is I'm going to try and right now we're going to go through a little bit of a warm-up because you and Wyatt work out, you know, every day except for Saturdays. Get Saturdays off, right?
Yep.
But every other day you guys are working out about an hour and a half, 2 hours. So we start with a little skipping.
Start warming up, just getting blood flowing, and just getting ourselves breaking a sweat.
And Wyatt said that he had a little trick that he wanted me to try. I'm not sure if he can show us that or not.
You just put the one leg over your back, out the other leg, and skip back.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try that. So through one leg, over this leg, backwards. Is that close?
It's better than I can do.
Is that close? I wasn't doing it. Okay. So you want to move on? Okay. Let's go on. So we start with a little skipping just to get the blood flowing.
Yeah.
What are we going to move to next?
We're going to do some shadow boxing.
All right. Shadow boxing. Shadow boxing. Let's do that. Okay.
All right. No problem. Hang the ropes up.
You want me to just pretend that I'm in the ring?
Yeah, so you have to imagine that you're actually boxing somebody. They're actually throwing punches at you, so you have to, there's an imaginary person in front of you.
Right.
So you have to move around.
Move around.
You have to defend yourself. You have to set up your combinations, and you have to play out a whole role play that what actually was going to happen when you compete.
Come on, okay.
You got to be the most important thing about boxing is defense.
Look at my footwork. Hey, look at Wyatt's footwork. All right, okay, so after we do some shadow boxing, then what do we do?
We're going to put some hand wraps on, and then we're going to go to the heavy bag.
Heavy bag, can't wait. Man, he can really hit that bag, ain't we?
Oh, he's fast.
Yeah,
he's fast.
okay, so now, what, should I be jabbing and throwing my right, or what should I be doing?
Yeah, you use the jab to measure the distance, to set up the right hand, and then you want to throw the right hand on the same plane or the same level as the left hand.
What do you think? Look.
With a little bit more work, you might get there.
Really?
Jab. Left hand hook. Hook left hand. Uppercut left hand.
Man, he throws some serious punches there, doesn't he? Put that target up. What do you want me to do now?
Straight punch from here. So that's jab, is your left hand.
Jab.
That's
Yeah.
right. Then if I say 1, 2, I want left, right, 1, 2. All right, so it's all in the start. Now, if I say jab, chances are I'm going to jab back at you, so you have to defend yourself. So jab and block my jab at the same time. Jab.
Oh, okay.
So that's the advantage of using one tag. Jab.
Okay.
So this is close to box. Jab. Now 1, 2.
Okay, this is it. This is the moment I've been waiting for. I'm all trained up now. Been doing my workout this morning. Going to take on 16-year-old national champ, Wyatt Sanford. All right. You ready? Mommy? Mommy?
Yeah.
Did I hear you crying there?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh,
I called for my mom,
sweet.
but she didn't come.
That was nice. Good job in taking it easy on him, Wyatt.
Yeah.
I can still hear you crying.
Oh, man.
Oh, dear.
Good kid, good boxer.
That was just, wow. I expected you to last a little longer because I bet on you. I bet on you to last at least one round.
Yeah, it
that was just sad.
I'm
my
a
man.
one-punch wonder.
Good job, Wyatt. I'm a little concerned because Cyril already went one round with Wyatt.
Oh, yes.
And we saw how that turned out. Cyril, is there a round two?
Well, we do attempt to try and
Oh, wait, do I hear your cries again? Was that... I thought I heard.
That is me. Yeah, that's me on the floor crying. Speaking of which, the weather may not, it may make you want to cry today too, I don't know, but it's not going to.
Young Wyatt Sanford hopes to go to the Olympics one day as a boxer for Team Canada.
And I recently caught up with Wyatt at Citadel Boxing Club, and I am not going to the Olympics.
Okay, well, I think I've recovered from the knockout blow. Welcome back. We're now joined by Wyatt Sanford, of course, who he's three-time national champion. He's in the 64K weight class. And Wyatt, I mean, you look great out there. So what made you decide to get involved in boxing in the first place?
Well, 5 years ago, my friend James Butler was wanting to come in, start doing something, get a little active. So he went on, he looked up one of the best ways to lose weight and get fit. And he came across boxing, so my mom said he'd bring him in, me and my two brothers in. And after a couple of weeks, he said no, he doesn't want to do it. And
but you guys stuck with it.
Me and my brothers fell in love with the sport, so we kept coming.
So you come here, now you're out in Kennecook, which is about a 45-minute drive to Lower Sackville, but you come in every day and work out.
Every day but Saturday.
Wow.
Saturday is my free day.
But you and your brothers have been doing great, right? I mean, especially yourself, like three-time national champion.
Yeah. So I've won nationals 3 times. I'm a Golden Gloves gold medalist. I won the World Ringside Championships, but my brothers as well. My oldest brother, Devin Sanford, he's a 5-time provincial champion. And my other oldest brother, Ryan, he's a 2-time silver national medalist and a bronze medalist at the last nationals. He's also a Golden Gloves gold medalist. Wow. And he's been provincial champ for the last 5 years.
And you want to go to the Olympics?
I want to go to the Olympics.
I'd like to see you go to the Olympics.
Well, I'm glad you want to see me get there.
All right, so you continue that great working out, man, and I wish you all the best, and thanks for doing this today.
Well, thank you for coming.
You want to spar again?
All right.
All right, okay, you ready?
My name's Stephanie Walker, and I'm with Citadel Boxing, and you're watching CTV Morning Live.